Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious scrambled eggs and sausage. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, like fresh eggs, a splash of milk or water, butter, and your favorite breakfast sausage. Make sure your kitchen is ready with a good non-stick skillet for the eggs and another pan for the sausage. Having a spatula and tongs handy will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get cooking. For perfectly cooked sausage, begin by heating a skillet over medium heat. If you're cooking patties, sear them for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side until they are nicely browned and cooked through. For sausage links, cook them for 10 to 16 minutes, turning them often to ensure even browning. Always use a meat thermometer to confirm pork sausage reaches a safe internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal safety and taste. Now let's make those fluffy scrambled eggs. Crack 2 to 4 large eggs into a bowl, add about 1 tablespoon of milk or water and a pinch of salt. Whisk vigorously until the mixture is uniform and slightly foamy. Melt about 1/2 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick skillet over medium-low heat. Pour in the eggs, letting them set for a few seconds. Then, gently push and fold the eggs with a rubber spatula until soft, moist curds form. Remove them from the heat when they are mostly set but still glistening. Once your scrambled eggs are perfectly fluffy and your sausage is cooked to perfection, it's time to serve. Immediately remove the eggs from the pan to stop the cooking process and keep them moist. Arrange the golden brown sausage next to your eggs on a plate. A sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper enhances the flavors of both. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with some fresh chives or parsley. Enjoy your delicious, homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.